Hey, my name's Andy. I'm with Baker Drivetrain, and today we're going to talk about our PRK, our primary rebuild kits. We offer a primary rebuild kit from 1994 to present, covering all Harley-Davidson models. And we also cover 2005 to 2010 big dog models. We offer 2 seals for your main shaft here. This is actually for our high torque on the inner, and because we have a shaft diameter difference. But this is to be used the OEM style, which uses the inner race. And a seal pulling tool like this will make the job much easier, removing the old seal in order to put the new fresh seal in. And I also brought this out just to show as an example. Like, it's very important to line these holes up between your inner and your engine. And we prefer Spectro. This is like the oil that we tested and we prefer to use. There's some quality oils out there, but everything should be in 85 weight, because that's what we tested and that's what we run. Our PRK kits include all seals, O-rings, and anything you'll need to seal your primary back up if you have any leaks at all. Go ahead and give us a call at 517-339-3835 if you have any questions or any needs at all. Thank you.